Hey everyone, today we're diving into a game-changing mindset that can transform your life. Ever feel stuck when facing tough situations? Well, get ready to flip the script on discomfort and use it as your secret weapon for success. We've all been there, that moment when a challenge feels too big, too scary. But what if I told you that leaning into that discomfort is exactly what you need to level up? Let's break it down into 5 actionable steps. Step 1. Recognize the opportunity. Every challenge is a chance to grow. Next time you feel that knot in your stomach, pause. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Reframe the discomfort as excitement for potential growth. Step 2. Set a micro goal. Break down that big, scary challenge into tiny, manageable tasks. Focus on one small win at a time. Each micro goal you conquer builds momentum and confidence. Step 3. Embrace the discomfort. Feeling uncomfortable means you're stretching beyond your comfort zone. That's where the magic happens. Acknowledge the feeling, take a deep breath, and lean in. Remember, discomfort is temporary, but growth is permanent. Step 4. Celebrate every victory. Did you take that first small step? Awesome! Celebrate it. Completed a micro goal? Do a happy dance. Recognizing your progress, no matter how small, fuels your motivation to keep going. Step 5. Reflect and adjust. Take time to reflect on your journey. What worked? What didn't? Use these insights to refine your approach and tackle the next challenge even more effectively. Now let's put this into action. Think about a challenge you're facing right now. How can you apply these 5 steps to transform it into a triumph? Drop a comment below sharing one step you're going to take today to embrace discomfort and level up. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more strategies to unlock your potential. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Embrace the discomfort and watch yourself grow in ways you never thought possible. Until next time, keep pushing those boundaries.